Hello guys, welcome back to another cooking video. How are you all doing? Hope you all are feeling great. My name is Shade. Today we are going to be making super crunching chicken wings. So if you are interested to see how I make this recipe, sit back, continue watching and let's get started. For this recipe, here are the chicken wings that I'm going to use. I've cut it to the size that I want. You can cut it to any size of your choice. This is just the way I want mine to be. So now I'm going to be marinating the chicken wings with some salt. I'm going to be adding some black pepper, garlic, paprika, chicken seasoning, the next thing, I will use my hand to make sure I mix everything very well. You want to make sure you mix everything. You want all the spices to penetrate very well into the chicken wings. I will set it aside. Now I have some all-purpose flour. I'll be adding some cornstarch. I will add baking powder. I'm going to stir everything together properly. The next step, I'm going to be rubbing the flour all around the chicken wings, and make sure you dust it before you set it aside because you don't want to over pad the chicken wings with too much flour. I'm going to be doing this until I finish doing all the chicken wings. So guys, as you can see, the chicken is set to fry. I'll be using some sunflower oil for this recipe. You can use any oil of your choice. And you don't want to overheat your oil. I'm going to be placing the chicken wings inside the oil. I'm going to be frying these chicken wings for about 4 minutes. Then I will take it out of the oil. So now I'm going to take the chicken out from the oil. I will set it aside. I will allow it to cool down. So here are the ingredients I'm going to be using to make my sweet and sour sauce. I'll be needing some brown sugar, vinegar, water, some chili pepper, ginger, garlic, and some tomato paste. Then I'll go ahead and chop the pepper into tiny pieces. In a clean pot, I'm going to be adding water, vinegar, I'll add the sugar, pepper, garlic, ginger. I'm going to be cooking it for about 5 to 7 minutes. So now I'll add salt, then I'll make sure I stir everything together. Then I'll allow it to boil. So now I'm going to be adding the tomato paste. I'll make sure I stir everything together very well. So now I'm going to be adding cornstarch for the thickness. Then I'll make sure I stir everything together properly. Then I'll leave it for about 1 minute. Then it's done. I'm going to set it aside for later. So guys, to achieve this super crunchy chicken wings, you need to fry it twice. But the second time you want your oil to be very hot. As you can see, this oil is very hot. I'm just going to fry it again the second time. Just continue watching and see how I'm going to achieve these super crunchy wings. So guys, as you can see, this chicken is super crunchy. So now I'm going to take it away from the oil and I'll continue the process until I finish frying all the chicken. So guys, this recipe was really delicious and your kids will love it. You know, kids love crunching chicken. So try and make this for your young ones at home. They are going to love it. And please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and remember to set that notification bell icon to all. That will notify you anytime I upload a new video. And for my old returnees, thank you for always stopping by. I really appreciate it. God bless you all. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family. So guys, the chicken is ready. Wow, so beautiful, crunchy, tastes so good. Make sure you give it a try and let me know in the comment section. So here is the end results. I love you all guys and I would love to see you all again in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.